Hey, Charm Squad. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be serving up some winter glam, y'all. I am so excited. I gathered up all of my favorite earthly tones from Madame Glam, and I bust out my little UV white gel paint from them, and we are gonna make the most darling Frenchies. Now, I have a very exciting project that's coming, and I just want you guys to guess with these beautiful nails that I'm creating what project you think that is. You're not going to have to wait very long because I'm going to be filming a little teaser video and all of that magic, but I am so excited. Winter is coming, and with that holiday season brings Christmas and all of the magic. And as you guys know, where I am right now, all of the leaves have been falling and it is so beautiful, but it's getting chilly, y'all. So my partner has a rule that we are not allowed to do anything Christmassy until after November 11th, which is Remembrance Day for the veterans. That's so incredibly important. But after that, she's like, you can do all of the Christmas stuff. So, of course, after November 11th, I already put on Krampus. I already put on a bunch of other Christmas movies. Your girl is ready for eggnog season. We even got to put up our tree, which I was so excited. This is the first year that we have a tree with flocking. So it literally looks like our tree is dusted with the most darling snow. It is so beautiful, and I cannot wait to take all of the nail pictures. Y'all gonna see. I'm already taking do a whole photo shoot with the tree because I was just so darn excited. So this set, I didn't want to go full on Christmas, but I really wanted to bring that winter glam. Fresh snow-covered pine, like pine tree leaves, and I wanted to have little berries, and I just wanted it to look like sweater weather. Baby, it's cold outside. I wanted it to basically look like you needed a warm, hot cup of cocoa. Now, the only thing I do not show in this set is the snowflakes. If you guys would like a hand-painted snowflake tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely make that up. With the holiday season on the way, I wanted to make sure that I added these little touches of snowflakes, and I thought it would make a darling nailed it. So if you guys would like to see that, just let me know down below. Now, all the products today I'm going to be using are Madame Glam. The only non-Madame Glam product is this gorgeous base I'm using. This is Bubble Bath from OPI, and I am so obsessed. This was like the perfect little nude for my phalanges, and it truly makes this set so darling. Now, I was thinking back to all the sets that I've ever done, and as I keep growing and trying to enhance my nail art and skills, there's more and more things that I can try. And I realized that I have never done French nails on myself. Now, I've definitely hooked up my beautiful hand model Autumn. She was just sporting some sweater French nails the other day, but I've never on my phalanges done it. I've gotten it done at salons, but I've never done it myself. So I was so excited to use Madame Glam's white UV gel. This is a one swipe, full coverage, perfect pigmentation. This nail art gel is so essential. The white and black, I can't tell you for all of my character art, nail art needs, I go right to this. It also cures in a no wipe formula. So, for instance, if you were doing a set that was all matte and you wanted to add the darling snowflake touch, or you wanted to do line work, you could add this on top of your matte, cure, and never have to top coat unless you wanted to. I love that. I can't scream enough about that. And as well, as you see, I am just doing a thin coat, and the coverage without bulking out the nail is insane. It is so beautiful. It's also very stark. So what I love about this stark white is it reminds me of all of the winter fantasy. Like the baby, we just did Olaf and the cold never bothered me anyway. And this darling white gel paint is absolutely perfect. And later on in the video, like when you see the snowflakes, they are the crispiest, the most beautiful line work that will have me even convinced that I have hands of a surgeon. Guys, I am one of the shakiest people I know because I have a lot of nerve damage in my arms due to my chronic condition. And I am shooketh. Like, that's why I love gel so very much, because no matter how shaky I am, I can make sure I perfect those lines before I cure. So I have some crispy, sharp looking lines, look so beautiful, and have, like, you'd never know that I was shaky Becky over here. Like I just absolutely love that. And as well, if you use the acetone trick with a cleaner brush, you can just have it completely snatched without having to worry about faffing. So right now I'm going through all the gorgeous colors that I use on this set, and I put it down on my palette. But if you would like to know those colors, you can just head on over to my description box. It will not only have all of the colors that I use today, but it will have our discount codes, y'all. So you not only can look so beautiful and glammed, but you can save some coins. We can't say no to that. That is just everything. And also with Black Friday and all of the sales, y'all have to look out. The month of November has like the most sales on Madame Glam, because they want to make sure that if you're getting gifts, like the advent calendar just went live, if you're getting gifts for your family members, you're getting the advent calendar, getting other goodies, that you can also get amazing discounts. There was even a 50% off discount code on their website. And that is without having to go through the VIP option. Like there is so much. There was up to 65% off on their website. So there is rolling sales all November. So make sure that you've signed up for the newsletter and that you're checking out their website, because there is so many goodies. Now, being a Canadian baby, I always like to do some kind of winter scene from the months of like November and January. It's really important to me because quintessential Christmas for me is that soft snow falling on the ground. You can literally see snowmen that people have created. It's like the light twinkles on the snow and you literally see diamonds, and it just feels like there's like festive magic in the air. So last year I actually did a Christmas cottage scene, which I will definitely be doing another one this year. Like there's no way I'm going to leave that out. It's one of my favorite things to do. It just looks so darling, and it just puts you into that mood of winter and Christmas and all of the magic. But I didn't want to do that just yet, so I thought this was such, and I got the inspo off of Pinterest, which I showed the picture earlier. Um, as soon as I saw that, it was just like the bells were ringing. I could hear the angels. And I was just like, this is the set I must do. There is something so pretty about the way the smile line of the French. It almost looks as though the snow has settled on your nails. And then the darling pine trees, like the way that those pine leaves, like the way they cascade and then the little drops of snow, it just puts you into that, I don't know, that holiday, that festive mood. And I was just so tickled how this ended up turning out. I wanted to say tickled pink, but it's more like the festive greens and reds. And I was definitely feeling all of that festive glow. So I really hope that you love this winter glam set. And if you are inspired to try something like this, please take me. I would love to see your recreations or your takes on it. It'd just be absolutely beautiful. Now the rest of this is going to be a watch me work. I left most of it in real time so that you could see the little nuances with I mix a lot of the gradient of greens together so that we can get dimensions on the pine leaves and on the tree. I wanted to make it look as real as possible. And then the branches I used stronger together, and I wanted to make sure that it really gave life to that tree. So I really hope you enjoy this watch me work, and I will be back in the end. Ooh! And again, I would love, please comment down below and tell me what you think this new project is, because it definitely inspired today's nails. I love you guys oh so much. Thank you for coming in to another natural nail care video. I did keep some of the natural prep in the beginning, and that was all on builder gel nails that had already a Philippines rubber base coat and the pure Serenity builder gel. I hope you guys enjoy. Now I'm going to put on some beautiful music so we can do our nails together.
Resorted to reverie.
I absolutely adore how this set came out. It was so very darling, and I could not mat her. I wanted to just have all of the glossy magic, the way the nude peeks through, and like the drifting snow is just so darling. So this elixir I got in the last advent calendar. So because we were talking about that earlier, and I just can't get over how luxurious Madame Glam's, I call them the elixir of life. They're cuticle oils. They've also come out with these cuticle sticks that I am so obsessed. Lime, mandarin, and basil scented. It is so delicious, and it just makes me feel like all the CEO, the rich bish energy. It's just everything. But I made sure to cuticle oil my phalanges after all of that. Sometimes using the rubbing alcohol and things like that is harsh, so we wanted to rehydrate those nails. I hope you love this natural winter glam set, and I can't wait to see you later on this week for some exciting teasers and news and some fresh looks. We've got some really fun nail content coming up. Thank you again. I'm sending so much love, and I hope this added some magic to your day. Mwah. And remember, do all things with love. Be kind out there, and see you in the next one.
You want it, you can get this love straight.